Hello, excuse me. Hello, everyone. Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and this is actually a good example of using re-entries for a stock that you get from the AI. This is BZ, okay? So initially, the entry was to short this one was at 41.14, and the stop was up here at 42.47. 42.57. So again, the entry was to short at 41.14 and then the stop at 42.57. Notice it got stopped out, okay? Now, what happened though is that as it moved down and it got to the halfway point between the stop, the stop and the entry, it triggered again. I think it was, I don't have my AI up, it's on another monitor unfortunately, but it triggered probably right around here, around 41.75, which would be halfway between it, giving you a second chance to get into this short, and look what happened afterwards. I mean, this is just a great one. I think it was around 41.79, got down to 37.86. It's a great percentage move, popping a little bit now, but who knows where it's going right now. I mean, this might be just a momentary move up, but the bottom line is this. Sometimes the AI gets into a trade, gives you an alert, and maybe it's just a little bit early. And if you have the re-entry column and price in the AI up and running, which I think you should, you could just wait for those all day. You may not get too many. A lot of people, that's all they trade, just the re-entries. They forget about the initial alert, and they just wait to see if we get re-entry alerts. And it could be on the short side to re-short, or it could be on the long side to, maybe a stock was alerted and it moved down to the stop price, and then it came back and then it moved away. The AI had sort of predicted that it would in the first place. So just a great use of the re-entries. Okay, so I want to get back into the trading room, but that was again, there's only one today. Sometimes you get none, but sometimes you get two or three, and if you just wait for those, that could be very profitable. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the trading room, so there's an email address you can use if you have any questions for me. We'll open the room at 8 o'clock Monday morning. I'm going to make that change over the weekend. The room is now open at 8 o'clock. I don't get live on the mic until 9, but you can chat with other traders from 8 to 9 while I'm doing my scanning, etc. And so have a great weekend, everybody, and hope to see you in the room at 8 o'clock Monday morning. Bye-bye.